If you want to address excuses in the workplace, you should pick up this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up. It says sweet love all around it, which is funny because what's inside this box is not really loving, in my opinion. But I thought it would be cool for those of you who might have very lazy people around your office, people who are filled with excuses. Maybe you work in sales and people talk about all those important prospects they met, but they haven't completed any sales yet. So I thought I would pick up this because it's probably going to trigger some people. It's a coffee mug, and it says, nobody cares, work harder. Glossy black, standard size coffee mug, 8 ounces maybe, black all the way through. And if someone says, oh, I just can't get my business off the ground because it's going to require so much effort and I really want to have a really good work-life balance, you can say, interesting. Nobody cares. Work harder. You can just hold it out like this and people in front of you and behind you will be triggered. Hey, if you want to remind yourself to kick ass and take names, then you need this mug. I don't want to hear your excuses. Nobody cares. Work harder. Hey, if you want to pick up this mug, give yourself a little constant kick in the ass. I think it might motivate you. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.